David.
Turn around. You know you are not supposed to do any life in front of the church. You know that, right? Turn around.
Why?
Turn around, sir.
Why?
Turn around. You are not supposed to
Why?
do any life.
Why?
Because you know you're not supposed to.
Why?
Turn around. Hey.
Why?
Hey,
Why?
turn around, sir.
Hey,
Oh, not.
What's going on? What's going on?
No, hold on, sir. Back up. Turn around, sir. Talking shit in this church. You are not supposed to do any life in this church.
What's going on, sir?
You know what's going on because your boy talking a lot of shit about people in Boston. He is not supposed to do any life in front of the church. You see the church over there? That's a church of
There's
God,
no
man.
side saying anything right
It
here.
doesn't matter, man. You have to respect the name of the God, man. That's the God church, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Sami sezi legend.
Yo, you have the right to remain silent. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go to the
Why
right now.
you put
What
me
is your...
this?
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
What you put me this? Why?
Because you know.
What?